Did you know that 89% of Americans regularly use some form of digital payment, and most are using multiple forms? That's why the Chargent team has been hard at work on our latest feature, Payment Methods. Payment Methods brings the digital wallet experience that your customers know and love, from e-commerce to payments in Salesforce. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin or consultant and are ready to turn on payment methods for your organization or client, this video will show you everything you need to know to get started. If you're looking for ways to improve efficiency, we have a guide on improving payment collections in Salesforce. Download the checklist linked in the description to learn more. Consumers expect to be able to use digital payments. We designed payment methods so they can easily save the preferred payment method and manage the way they'll like to pay organizations. Before you get started with implementing payment methods, it is important to make an implementation plan. Confirm the business goals you're trying to achieve with payment methods. Are you aiming to enhance the customer experience or improve efficiency for your internal team? Review your payment processes and understand how they may change when enabling payment methods. And make note of the policies that may be impacted. Develop a plan to train your internal users. Identify metrics to measure success. Once your implementation plan is in place, configuration is a breeze. With existing community site using Chargent Take Payment component or a working payment request site. Setup is as simple as activating payment methods and assigning some custom permission sets. While you're thinking about improving payment processes, one important thing you should know is that you can reduce your accounts receivables and collection challenges in Salesforce. Learn how you can improve cash flow even in the uncertain economy by automating your accounts receivable processes. Download the guide using the link in the description of this video. To activate payment methods, head over to the Chargent settings in Salesforce and find the Payment Method tab. Click the Request Payment Method button and wait for the Chargent team to provision your request. Once provisioned, you can activate payment methods in your org. There are a few payment method settings we want to set once the feature is activated. So let's do that now. Choose the default gateway you'll like to use if one isn't explicitly selected elsewhere. Let's opt to set the Show Nickname value to active. Once you save the setting, feel free to check out our help and training section as well. With payment methods active, let's head over to permission sets and assign some custom permission sets. I've created permission sets for Payment Method Administrator, Payment Method Community User, and Payment Method Guest User. But yours may be different depending on your implementation plan. It's all worth noting you may want to consider using permission set groups if your organization has a lot of permission sets to assign. Let's go ahead and assign the community user permission set now. The others you can assign later on your own. With payment methods fully activated and permission sets assigned, let's head over to the customer community and test things out. The Take Payment form now includes an updated UI showing credit card details, the payment method nickname field, and the Save for Future Use checkbox. Let's fill out the payment form, enter a nickname, and check the Save for Future Use checkbox. If we refresh the screen, you'll see the payment method you just created. It's available, and you have the option to create another one. Now, anytime the community user needs to make additional payments, their payment method is there waiting for it to be used. How cool is that? Now, let's take a look at what's happening in your org. If we head over to Chargent Order, you will see payment method default value populated with a newly created payment method record. Looking at the payment method, you will see details captured by the Take Payment form, as well as the related token and log files. Once you have payment methods enabled and running, you will want to monitor user adoption and gather feedback from your team so you can continually improve your process. And now, check out this next video where we can learn about creating permission set groups in Salesforce. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we're always here to help.